left one spinning. This guy, the one closer to me, is going to spin. And then you're going to take the right one and just stop it. Instead of trying to stall it, just stop it. And then once it's stopped, keeping the left one spinning, you're going to take the right one and bowl. So you're bringing it up in the opposite direction while the left one is spinning. And that's the trick of the beginning of learning how to do it. Yes, good. Okay, there's multiple levels. The first level I would say is learning how to start and stop it independently. The second level is learning how to start and stop it independently with some level of precision on the plane. The third level is learning how to start and stop it independently with fewer and fewer and fewer rotations with the other hand so that it becomes a stall rather than a stop. I want you to, in your head, talk to your hands. Right one, stall. Left one, spin. So that you keep your left one spinning. It is a mental game. You have to build the neural pathway where you're saying, okay, left one spin, right one stop, left one spin, right one stop. Okay, right one, you're gonna bowl. Left one, you're throwing a baseball. You guys are doing two different sports. Holy moly. So that is the drill to help you get that independence. Okay, and then of course there's 4 versions of that, right? What we just did was, they're both overhand, and then we stop the right one, and then we bowl. And then we stop the right one, and we throw it like a baseball. And then we stop the right one, and we bowl, and we stop the right one, and we throw it like a baseball. That's version 1. Version 2 is, the right one keeps spinning. The left one stops, and you bowl. The left one stops, and you throw the baseball. The left one stops, and you bowl. The left one stops, and you throw the baseball. So that's version 2. Now, you can repeat the whole thing again in underhand. The right one is spinning, the left one stops, and then you throw the baseball. The left one stops, and then you bowl. The left one stops, and then you throw the baseball. The left one stops, and then you bowl. And then the last version is, they're both in underhand. The left one stays spinning. You stop the right one, you throw the baseball. You stop the right one, you bowl. You stop the right one, you throw the baseball. You stop the right one, you bowl. Now, if you can't do it at the pace that I was just doing it at, you may just in one session only do one of the 4 versions. Then the next session, do a different version. Then the next session, do a different version. And then the 4th session, do the last version until they all get strong. Because this whole movement that I'm doing, that I'm making look really, really easy, requires all of those. And then just to make sure this is as complicated as possible, I want to distinguish, if you start with both of them in overhand and you do right stall, left stall, right stall, left stall, that is different than left stall, right stall, left stall, right stall. So for ultimate control and technique and capacity and choice, you want to be able to do both of those versions, even though they seem like they're the same, but they actually, the order ends up different.